Who is banging the door? People are banging the door. Before opening the door, father gave a letter to the Don and told him to keep it secret and hand over to the authorities. What is there in the letter? Inside the letter, Don's father had written everything he had seen the previous night with the evidence. Don's father told Don to hide in a cupboard and don't come out whatever happens here. And Don followed the instructions and went and hidden in the cupboard. And then door opens and lot of police are coming inside with guns and they told the Don's father that he is under the arrest. Are they real police? Oh no! Don's father thought they are the real police and he got arrested along with Don's mother and they both were taken along with the police in the police jeep. Don came outside and he ran on the road and he saw nothing. No police jeep, no father and no mother. He searched everywhere but he couldn't find anyone. He even went and complained to the police but no use. Nobody has a clue of what happened to the Don's father and the mother and he became alone and he became like an orphan. No money, no house, no food. So where will the Don stay and how will he manage the baby brother? So that is the problem now. There is no house, no food. Don doesn't know what to do, how to feed the baby brother. And he started working in all possible means in the construction labor. And he tried working everywhere, but he couldn't take care of the baby brother. When Don was struggling with the money and how to take care, that time Tina met Don. Tina is actually working in a local coffee shop. She saw Don's condition and then she offered help. She told that there is a job available in the local bar where he can serve and earn some good money which will help the baby and also Don can survive for some more time. Then slowly Don started liking the Tina and since Don is missing her parents' love, he got that from the Tina and Tina also liked Don very much. They both used to go out in the free time and spend some time.
To do. I got up from the table.
Don likes that girl very much. The story was going well for 6 months to 1 year. Then suddenly, the son of the local Don came to the pub one day and he was also a drug addict. This local Don actually has some 50 to 70 people and they do all the local settlements. And his son is a drug addict and he has all the support. And the local people will actually be terrorized by looking at this gang. And Don unfortunately was serving their table, and while serving, the liquor bottle by mistake fell on the son of that local Don. Immediately, that son of the local Don became full angry. He came on to the Don and started banging on the face of the Don. Don got scared and he just started running, but they chased the Don and started hitting him. At the same time, Tina entered. Tina just came to see the Don, but she saw the situation and she tried to stop the local Don son from hitting our fellow. And while stopping by mistake, she slapped him. She slapped the son of the local Don.
Why did she slap him? He is a very dangerous fellow, no?
She tried to save the Don at that moment, but she didn't think of any consequences. What will happen? After getting hit, the son of the local Don went off from the pub angrily, looking at Tina. Then Don actually started working in the bar again. He did not see any of the people of this local Don, and it went on smooth. Don thought that the problem is settled, and he did not see even Tina for a few days. After 5 days, Don is as usual going to the pub to work. At the same time, outside the pub, he saw people gathered.
Why did the people gather?
Even Don wanted to know why people gathered. He just separated the people and went inside, and he saw and he went into shock. Tina is killed brutally and her body was thrown in front of the bar. And somewhere in the crowd, he heard somebody talking that Tina was actually taken by the son of the local Don, and she was kept as captive for 5 days in their place, and she was tortured by all the 50 to 70 men who were staying there, and then she was killed. Hearing that, Don became furious. Don attended the funeral of Tina and he saw the mother, father, and all the relatives crying there near the body of the Tina. And Don felt very bad. Don stood in the rain. Everyone left their mother, father from the burial place, but Don was just standing. And it was raining like hell, but he didn't move from there. He stood there till morning. And then he went to his house. After that, Don became a different person. After that, Don went to the local shop and bought a white shirt and a gold chain and bracelet and brown shoes. he changed the getup. And after that, he went to the local iron factory.
Why is Don going to the local iron factory?
Don went with his new getup into the local iron factory and told the person who's making the iron rods to make a special iron rod designed by him. And the name Tina should be written on the iron rod.
Why did he get the rod prepared with name Tina on that? To do what?
To know what Don is going to do with the iron rod with the name Tina written on that, and how he is going to take the revenge, watch the next episode.